We all have seen and heard the UPI success story, India's payment system, really the unified payment system, setting an example for the global world at large, really, and global economies at large. And now the RBI has announced unified lending interface. The RBI has said that look, soon a UPI like platform for lending will be in the works. And the spotlight really is on this being touted as India's next game changer. Now, to decode all of this, I'm joined by Ved Jain, senior economist. Thank you so much for your time. The next big game changer being touted as the unified lending interface. First, for our viewers to understand, what is this? Of course, the unified lending interface will transform the lending landscape altogether by completely getting everything on one digital platform, just like UPI has done. But for our viewers to understand, how will this work and how will this benefit borrowers? So, first, how will this work really and how will this be implemented?
Sakshi ji, you will that India has always been a leader in technology. And our technology reach out what our companies have done, all major companies post 90s and early 2000s, what we have been doing. And India's all youth has been a leader everywhere in technology. We are there. And that was the benefit of the technology that RBI started this UPI. And they brought every person on a one platform, linking all banking everywhere. You see, the success of UPI. See, otherwise you will have to interact with one bank, then that bank will interact with other bank. The UPI unique, what is the unique in UPI is that all banking system are interlinked, and wherever you are, you can make payment and you can receive payment. And you would have seen how India had demonstrated to the world. Even when the dignitaries has come to the India and they have been taken to the market, even the vegetable vendors, you can just make a payment. If you want to buy one ice cream for rupees 10, use just UPI, the payment goes out immediately and the ice cream vendor gets the payment immediately. Similar, that's such a game changer. That has happened because use of the technology, that we can bring all banks at one platform and linking all that platform with a common man across the globe, everywhere, not only in India, wherever you are, you can make payment wherever you are, subject to, of course, FEMA regulation, whatever it is there. Now, this this lending interface is going to be another game changer. And how it is going to work. You see, what is the benefit? Now, in case a borrower wants to borrow money from a bank or a financial institution, it need to submit its data, its application, its credential, its appraisal report, its investment, its land holding, etc. And now these so much data are available with various bank and financial institutions with no interlinkage at all. There being no common platform available being there. Now, what RBI has proposed is that it will have a uniform platform. Lending platform means that all data of all borrowers, all financial institutions which they have collected will be at one place available. It will facilitate that. Similarly, the data which is available with the public domain, like land record, like you're holding in shares, equities, your deposit in banks, etc., they will all be available. So when this will be uniform lending platform, which is accessible to each and every financial institution, and an applicant who want to borrow money can just put his application. It goes on that system and immediately get verified because all data is available on the uniform platform. And that it will give ease to get lending money at the same time, because nothing more is required to be done, no verification, automatically it will done. So it will increase the speed with which the loan is sanctioned. It will increase the capability of the person because your credentials are also available immediately, that what you have borrowed, how much investment you have, what is your capacity to pay, that money will become easier. So it is easier for borrower to borrow, and at the same time it is easier for lender to lend money also, because they know here this is the borrower which is coming up. And this will also increase a little bit competition, making the lending at cheaper, comparatively efficient. At the same time, it will make more for financial institution. It will provide a good customer base also. So uniform lending interface is going to be a win-win situation, both for the borrower as well as the lender itself. That's what I can say.
Right. So win-win situation is how you see it. The ULI is set to have a standardized application programming interface at large, like you explained. in a sense, bringing everything on one digital platform and making lending easier altogether. Now, several reports are saying that, look, this will also help MSMEs and farmers at large. Could you explain to our viewers how will this happen?
See, organized sector always have a ready data. They have access to the professional. They have the document in the form in which the financial institutions otherwise are easily able to appraise it, etc. The challenges with the MSMEs and the farmers, which are not in organized sector, do not have access to the best of the professionals, and their documents are scattered, and there is appraisal challenges. Now, with uniform this lending interface being available, as I said, that all your information are readily available. At the same time, data which is in public domain, like the land record, which has been digitized by the many of the state, will be easily available for a farmer. Now, when the land record says that you are holding 4 acres of land, and this is your or total earning which you are coming it out, or you have a one particular bank account where you have a deposit of 50, 60,000 rupees, and that your credibility, your bank statement is available, what you have been doing in past, what has been your borrowing, and what are income coming in, it will be easier. Similarly, for MSMEs, they are all data of what is transaction in the bank account, their turnover, and of course, the data with the revenue authorities, tax authorities, that all being available at lending platform interface. It will be very easy to get a loan, because the moment you make an application, everything is visible to the financial institution or to the banking institution. So it will become easier to get money and to repay money or to work it out on that basis.
Right. Now, for those wondering that, look, UPI really, took center stage, became a game changer at a very, very fast pace. If we were to then compare and say, okay, can ULI really grab that space and really, take on this challenge as quickly for customers at large?
Yes, I will see. You see, anything new will takes a time. It has a transitional period, but once it picks up the space, the speed goes up. So now I believe it will take initially some time, because I believe RBI has also said that they will be doing it one they have done now on pilot basis. They will be going state to state, because it is a collection of the data which will be very important, and then to collate and to bring everything on that line. So I will say yes, I am very optimistic that speed will go up. But yes, initial transition time will definitely be there. Maybe 6 months or a year will be in the beginning, which will be the testing time, transitional time, making people aware about the things that happening on this bank. You can just see the benefit, which how it will trigger. Now you will be seeing that when you go to the market, there are some signboard, you can get a cheaper loan, take a loan against gold at rate of etc. Those all those people are able to lend money, because they say that we will just verify quickly and do your transaction immediately. Now with this unique lending interface being available, now the same thing will happen, because everything is there. You just put in and then you get a loan immediately. That will be the speed, and I believe once it picks up, the pace will go up like anything, like UPI has done. You will agree that UPI initially when testing phase it took some time, but the moment it picked up, now it is everywhere. UPI, everybody says, I will do UPI.
Absolutely. Now it is everywhere. And now, of course, all eyes really on the transformation in the entire lending landscape altogether. Thank you so much for decoding this for our viewers. Thank you.